Assalamu alaikum students, I am Asma Sajad, APS Fort Road Middle Wing Boys, and I am going to brief you week 2's assignment of English Language and Literature class 7th. So our first task is from unit 1 Friends Forever, and that is to write a paragraph on what you feel about your friend. How you are going to write a paragraph? You may start the paragraph with some quote or a verse about friendship or a friend. Then think about the personality of your friend. What do you like in him? Most appealing thing in his character, his good and positive qualities, and what makes him your good friend. So here is a graphic organizer. You can take help of it. There are certain descriptive words written around the main topic. Your second task is again a paragraph writing about your older brother or a sister, and it shouldn't be more than 100 words. There is a list of descriptive adjectives I am showing you right here. You can take help of these words while describing the personality of your sibling. Now remember, when you are going to write down a paragraph, you have to add, of course, descriptive words to describe the personality. Second, you have to make notes and observe the routine of your sibling, his habits, things that pleases him, things that upsets him, what does he or she do in his or her spare time, and how will you get along with it. Your task 3 is from the novel Lost World chapter number 1, and that is to summarize the chapter. In previous week, you were asked to read the chapter thoroughly and underline the main characters and the happenings. At this time, you are going to write down a summary. So while writing down a summary, you need to keep certain things in your mind. Of course, very first thing, a thorough reading of the text. Second, highlighting the important ideas and leaving the supporting details. We all know that summary is 1/3 of the original text. So while writing down a summary, you have to focus only on the main plots or happenings. Make sure that you are using indirect language and writing it in your own words. The last is to describe the picture present on page 7 of your novel. So picture description should always be done in a present or in a present continuous tense. The very first thing you do is to describe the appearance of the character that is present on page 7. Like, how does he look like? Second, his facial expressions. And third, what he is doing, his actions in the picture. What comes in physical appearance? That how does a man look like? His hair, his age, his build. Either he is tall, short, well-built, strong, smart, and his facial expressions like angry, relaxed, worried, happy, sad, and action means that what he is actually doing in the picture. So these are the few works that you are going to do in the second week. I hope it's well described. Thank you so much.